Welcome back to another episode of Identify the Ingredient. Today, our contestants, Jamie, and the one and only Poppy Cooks.
Very strange doing that with a blindfold. I'm like,
It is, which is why I'll now allow you to remove it and see the category.
Of course.
Really?
It's potatoes.
Okay, lovely.
The game is simple. In front of you, we have 17 different potato ingredients. You're going to take it in turns to identify them. You have 3 lives in case you get any wrong, but the key is you can look and you can smell as much as you like, but the moment you touch any ingredient with any body part, you must commit to answering it. Simple as.
What is that?
To find out who goes first, the world's smallest coin. Heads or tails, Poppy?
Tails.
It is heads, so Jamie, you get to choose. You want to go first or second?
I would like to go first.
Which ingredient would you like to identify first?
I'd like to go for this one, Evans. That is a potato smiley.
It absolutely is correct.
Okay, I am gonna go for this baby.
Committing to the difficult ones, taking the challenges off the table. What is it?
Pink fur potato?
I'm afraid it's not.
Oh!
I've gone one up on the potato queen.
Poppy loses a life. She went in bold with, I think, probably one of the 2 most difficult ingredients on the potato.
Do I have to eat it now?
No, that's not how this works. You pop it back. If it helps you, because I'm sure it will also help Jamie, it's a type of potato that is a child of the pink fur and another potato.
Yeah,
Okay, excellent.
If you know your potato ancestry.
I'm guessing we're not just calling these jacket potatoes.
I mean, they are potatoes
baked.
still in their jackets.
Have they been baked?
Not yet.
Right, fine.
The fact that you can't tell the difference between a raw potato and a baked potato means that your baked potatoes...
That was a pink fur potato, so
Oh,
get
what
out.
do you think this is, Ricky? Go on, pick it up. Pick it up and tell me what it is.
I'm going to pick up this one.
Oh, you see, this is... Yeah.
It's a tortilla.
It is Spanish tortilla, egg and potato. Well done, Jamie. It's only Poppy who's lost a life so far, but it is your turn again. Go for the simple ones.
I think I know... No.
And push Jamie into a difficult potato box.
Oh, I was going for that one.
No, you see, don't know if I'm getting very specific with this.
There is a specific word we're keen on for this, based on their shape.
Crispy cube potatoes.
Correct.
Don't you dare
It's not
do
the word we
this to
were
me.
looking for.
Square? Dice? What the fuck
Can I
is
chime in?
shape?
Can I chime in?
Don't you dare!
Can I chime
Don't
in?
you dare do this to me. This is
They are crispy cooked squared potatoes, so correct. they
Hang on a
are,
second.
But it was one particular French word we were looking for.
Oh no, you're taking the piss out of me.
But now you've touched it, you have to commit to it. Can you remember the name of the gentleman this potato was named after?
Absolutely not. I didn't even know it was a thing.
Just another life. Just another life.
Uh-oh. 2 lives down from Poppy. I thought it was supposed to be the potato queen.
I just thought they were crispy cube potatoes.
Which they are. And the comments will probably go mad and tell me I'm really mean. But Jamie is going to commit to this one too.
It's valid. It's valid. Go on.
Yes! Now you know how to play the game.
Parmentier potato.
Is the word we were looking for.
No, because I literally learned all about him. What you're doing to me here, guys.
Ruining your career. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do.
I'm not supposed to help, but I'm gonna try and make this easy for you. Go for the easy ones.
I thought that one was easy. That seems straightforward to me, but now I'm worried in case it's someone else's name.
I think that one seems straightforward.
I think that's one of the more straightforward ones.
Do I have to eat it?
No, you just have to commit to it.
Why?
It's just Jamie that eats everything.
Okay. Sorry. Tinned potatoes.
Tinned potatoes and eating them less good. They're very watery, aren't they?
They are, but I do
It's a good place for them.
Mm-hmm.
Jamie, you've still got all your lives intact. What are you going for next?
You want to go for that one?
I don't have to go for that one. I'm going for this one.
I've got no idea how this got its name.
Apparently, it's got a different name. Be careful. I
think he's saying that he doesn't know how he got its name because he doesn't know how it can be referred to as a potato salad.
It's not very salady, is it?
Oh.
It's just potato bound with mayonnaise, or in this case, mayo and yogurt.
One of my favourite salads. There is, how many of your 5 a day is in that?
I don't think potatoes count.
No.
So none. Committing to another very tricky one.
Is this not a Maris Piper?
That is a Maris Piper.
Ah!
I was worried between that one and the one on the end, which look very similar, but there is 1 point of difference. And you got the Maris Piper. Nailed it.
God, thank God.
Maybe you do know what you're talking about.
No, don't leave me. Give me the Maris Piper.
That's now just... The Maris Piper, still the most planted potato in the UK.
Where would you use a Maris Piper? Is this a matching one? A roasting one?
I think that they are one of most accessible ones that you can use for most things. Really, they're starchy, so they're very good for mashing, roasting, and then chips, they might fall apart a bit, but they are tasty, that's the thing.
Solid all-rounder.
Where do I go?
The hand of destiny.
The claw. He's committed, and I'm amazed.
I'm going bold.
Are you? I think your hair looks nice.
Oh, thanks. Is this
I'm going to have to be precise.
a fingerling potato?
Okay, this was what I was worried you were going to say. Because a fingerling potato is a umbrella of potato, and both that and this are fingerling potatoes. It is the type of fingerling potato we wanted. So you are correct in the same way that crispy little cubed potato was correct, but it's not the answer we're looking for. You lose a life.
No!
Told you, stickler for the rules. You're welcome to taste it, to commit.
Just because I think I actually need it in my life at this point because I'm panicking. Okay, it's got to be potato vodka.
It is potato vodka. So it's been infused with some cucumber peel, but that is Jersey Royal vodka, so it is fluke vodka. Okay, so you're still clinging on with that life, you're doing well now. Jamie, you've lost one. What are you going for next?
I don't know others.
The raw ones are always going to be more of a challenge.
Yeah.
I feel like the other ones you've got a better chance at.
Yeah, but there's different names, and you're being a stickler for the rules.
He is committed. He's not eating that one, I've noticed. Oh, he's going to know he's eating that one.
Yum, yum, yum. Oh, okay, I know what
Is
this is
that-
now.
Smash. Instant mashed potato.
It is both of those things.
Yes.
It is dehydrated mashed potato, or in this case, smash.
Excellent.
Two potential names, I'll give you either of them.
Okay, fine.
I can see you panicking, but there's legitimately two names
Okay.
for this.
Potato starch.
Or potato flour, we'll accept both. Correct.
Thank you.
Nicely done. See, those two are quite similar, and you've just wiped them off the table, which means, Jamie, it's getting tougher.
Ah!
Do you like the potato? With...
the potato de-stressor.
Yeah.
No, what I'm thinking is, if that's a Maris Piper, does that make...
Ooh. Go on, Gad. Ooh, he's done it.
If that's a Maris Piper, does that make this?
There are 4,500 varieties of potato in the world. Which one are you going for, Jay?
A King Edward.
I thought that was the toughest on the table because they are very similar until you start to cook with them. The slight reddish tinge on that potato is a King Edward.
Yes!
Correct, and you now have your own stressed potato to hold on to.
Cheers.
Back to popping, one life remaining. Where are we going?
Oh, when you're breathing in it. Why are you...
Just committing. Now you can have a taste.
Oh.
I think I know what this is.
I'll give you a clue. I'll give you a clue. Now you've done that, it's definitely not a fingerling.
I don't know if it's just because it's not very nice. Sorry if someone's made this.
It's also cold,
Yeah.
which, like the smiley face, is not the best way to eat it.
I'm gonna go with. Oh no, I'm gonna go with leek and potato soup.
But it is leek and potato soup.
Gee, thank baby Jesus.
Because
Oh
it was
my
cold,
God.
we'd have also accepted something like a vichyssoise, which is deliberately cold potato soup with allium. Okay then, Jay. 2 lives left. Getting tough.
I've just got to go for it.
Committed.
Oh, which one is it?
My instant reaction was to say new, but I think I have to be more specific than that. I'm going to go for Jersey Royals. You might have had them in the freezer for a while.
That is unlikely, Jamie. They are not new potatoes or Jersey Royals. So now,
Okay.
you both have 1 life each. Jamie, you have had 1 guess more.
See, I don't know.
I know.
If there's a proper name.
Exactly.
Because I thought crispy cubes were good. We'll be fine.
Crispy long.
We've had some discussions internally, and there's a few things we will accept for that.
Oh, for God's sake! Right, look at the supermarket bags. What did they say on their bags?
Committed to the same one that Jamie just got wrong. What are you going with?
Baby potato, rather than new, because news are sometimes a bit New potato. A new potato baby.
It is a specific baby's name we're looking for this potato.
Specific baby name.
Well, I mean, that baby will grow up into an adult. Have you got one? It's not. I can't give you baby new potatoes.
Oh, I've got one.
Well, it doesn't matter now because you've won anyway.
Well. Come on, Pops.
What is
Well, what?
it? I'm gonna say then. Jesus potato.
Right,
Baby Jesus.
excellent.
It's not that. Which unfortunately means the game is over. Jamie, you take the win with 1 life remaining. Let me put you out of your misery.
Can I just... Are they Charlotte potatoes?
They are Charlotte potatoes.
Oh, you're not going to high-five me, are you?
This one, also a name, is an Anya.
Anya!
Potato.
Never.
Jamie, your fingling is a Lorette. Smoother, waxier.
Is this like potato bread Ulster?
It's a potato bread or potato fal. We would have accepted either.
I was going to go pancake.
Probably not.
No.
That one,
French fries? Would you have
or potato sticks. We were literally potato
sticks.
sticks. And the last one is the
Russet?
Rooster or the Albert Bartlett, which is the brand name, which I thought you were.
I actually can't. I'm actually gutted.
I've got the crown.
I need to hang my head in shame.
Good game, good game. Comment down below, how many of those would you have got correct? And in the description box down below, check out all of Poppy's links to see all the stuff she gets up to over on the socials.
Don't bother, because I obviously don't know what I'm doing.